we came out to get some firewood. And the woods that we camped in when we originally bought the property, when we first came out, let me show you. It's not near as scary when you can see through it. So this all had leaves. I mean, you couldn't see through all the vines and all the overgrowth and everything that was in here. But it looks like there's tons of stuff that could be used. Now, this is where we saw that turtle. This is where we camped. We actually, a lot of fallen trees in here since the last time we were here. It is chilly. The wind is picking up. There's a snowstorm that's just west of us, and it's blowing this way. So we're trying to make sure we have enough firewood to get through the night, and also leave some for the next time, so when we come, we don't have to forage for wood. You can see Joe in the back putting all the sticks in. It feels good to be able to be on your own land and be processing wood that you own. Oh, and it's just very freeing to be able to anticipate your needs. And I'll tell you, we learned today, water is a real need. A real need. So, oh, here we go, here he comes.
Probably enough to burn.
All right, let's get it back to the house.
So now you can see the tiny ones. It's good. It's hard to see that other one, huh?
Well, the way that it's set.
Position, it looks like camouflage right now.
Yeah.
Chores to do. Well, I guess we could bring in what we could do. Different driveways, but all that costs money.
I'm trusting.
Why? That costs money.
I'm trusting that.
Oh, you're trusting. I think you said that's interesting.
No, I'm trusting.
I mean, all this also costs money. The Lord has provided, so.
Amen. And there was a time when we would walk around and think, like, we'd drive through country and think, how'd they get that? How'd they get that? We never, ever, ever, ever dreamed of 80 acres. I was thinking a good 10-acre farm. And actually, that's what we originally looked at. We were like 10 acres.
Yeah, I was always kind of back and forth just because when you're younger, you learn to dream big. And then that 80 acres, it was only 7 acres in Indiana, Columbia City, but there was 80 surrounding that I got to mess around in as a kid, because that's what you do, but I think of all the places that we've gone and been, you can take little pieces of that and make it your own.
I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the wood burning stove. I'm going to put on a crock of soup. Now I've got some hamburger that my mom canned. I like it because as it gets cold, the fat hardens at the top and you can take it off. I need to bring my tool. I can't get this off. It's really hard on my fingers. Careful, that can hurt you. That's sharp metal. Please be careful.
Rough fingers.
Nice. I'm just gonna add a bag of mixed veggies.
No.
Thank you. Mix all this up. So it's just kind of like a beef stew with a brown gravy broth and tomatoes together. So that should be pretty tasty. But I'm gonna put it on the butane burner so that it can get up to like boiling, and then I'm gonna set it back over here. Man, that smells good. Soup update. Slow simmer.
Yum.
Wood cooking. Joe's outside cutting wood and it's like 29 degrees. I'm not going outside. I'm gonna stay in by the warm fire, get things cleaned up from dinner. Oh, I'm so grateful that we have a wood burning stove. It really makes it nice. I'm in short sleeves and it's winter outside right now. It was not that way when we first started here. When we came a few days ago, it was freezing. We had to have the kerosene heater on at all times, and you still needed a sweater. It didn't quite warm everything. We have, let me show you. I mean, this is where we're putting the barn door, and there's no, it's warm in here too. Like I can come in here and it's definitely different. Like it's not the same 97,000 degrees as it is in there, but it's definitely like I don't need a hoodie on to be in here. It makes it feel a lot more homey, and not feeling also makes you feel a little bit more safe. You don't really realize that. You don't realize how chilling the cold gets and then how warm the fire can make it and seem so safe and comfortable. It's just changed the whole atmosphere of the house.